because without revenue, then any institution you are doing. As a county, we budget, we do everything through revenue collection. And Your Excellency, you will allow me, I'll just say something small. Because without revenue, we cannot pay our salary. Without revenue, we cannot pay our contractors. Without revenue, we end up with pending bills. That's how serious it is. But Your Excellency, as much as we make this hour, I want to appeal to you that every department in any institution, they have revenue streams. They have revenue streams. If it is lands, they must be able to tell us how much is coming from lands. And as you are going to put them into performance contracting, Your Excellency, I am requesting you, one of the indicators should be revenue. That if someone cannot be able to achieve revenue which is attainable from this department, then we have no business. It's only that they are unfortunate. During the former local authority, as the governor said, Kisii was one of the authorities where people who were called down clerks and treasurers wanted to come and work because there was enough revenue. So, still the infrastructure, still it is there. So it is upon us to ensure that revenue has been collected. Na vile sote tunakaa hapa, kila mtu ako na responsibility in terms of revenue collection. Hata ukiwa mwananchi, ukiwa bodaboda, kila mtu ako na hiyo responsibility. Let us pray our responsibility in terms of revenue collection so that we can be able to move our account forward. Si ni ukweli? So, without much ado, Your Excellency, of course, I came in for you. Wacha Director Revenue akuja atuambie